What's up, guys? Apologies for the late stream. I was chilling with my girlfriend, to be honest. Um, Earlier today, what did I do? I did the JP Morgan Chase OA, and I applied to 2 more jobs. Also got set up with Pinterest job board, so I'm gonna get notified. Or like I joined like a group type of thing, so I get notified whenever that comes out. My goat, Xiaomin, I feel like I'm pronouncing that wrong, referred me to Meta. So shout out my goat. Then I had one other thing. Is that it? Oh yeah, just another job application thing that I have to do. So it's gonna be a busy day tomorrow in regards to just getting a ton of applications out. I think I'm gonna wake up early and just grind some. As for tonight, I apologize to the crowd that keeps saying, you're not doing real coding, you're doing leetcode. Guess what I'm doing? Leetcode. Because I need to keep passing these OAs. I'm doing well on them, though. Like, for the JP Morgan one today, it was an interval scheduling question, and then, like, a 1D DP problem. And I got it both done in 20 minutes, passing. So, like, the practice is showing off. And to be honest, I'm good with that. And then as I go on a bit more into the summer, I have 2 more weeks on my internship. So then I'll have a little bit more time to just really grind out at least one good project before school. So, yeah, that's that. With that being said, let's look at this one. I actually haven't looked at it. I know it's an easy, so it should be easy. Given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 2. Otherwise, return false. An integer n is power of 2. If there exists an integer x. So this is just look if a singular bit is set, right? What's up, Nitro? Like, what is it? Is it bin? Like, is there a dot count? Yeah, there is. Okay. Like, I really think I could just do something like this. Yeah. No? Alright, so I'm passing almost everything. Let's do this first. Yeah, I mean, whatever. I didn't think there was negative numbers, so sue me. Yeah. Should be fun. Bang. Kind of funny. Quite a solution by me. How does this have a 40% pass rate? What the hell? What are people doing on this? What the fuck is this? I mean, yeah. So I had that. Binary form of every power of 2. Ah, okay, that makes sense, actually. That makes a lot of sense. Sure. But whatever. It's the same idea of just verify that there's one bit set. Okay. Sure. Sure, man. How do you make stuff hidden in Discord again? Right, like, how do you do a spoiler? Double vertical bars. Okay. I'm trying to revive the daily. Okay. Let's see if I can download one of these. Yeah, dude, I so should have just looked at this. Okay. You know how, nobody knows this. I was fighting with this fucking Zephyr setup to flash this, like essentially to set up the microcontroller. I could have just fucking downloaded a RTOS Docker image, like just the Rust version of Zephyr, which is exactly what I need, and just run that Docker image. So, I don't really know what the fuck I was thinking, to be honest. But the fact that I wasted this much time is like insane to me. So yeah, what we will be doing is downloading this. So, I don't know, I really just... Sometimes I surprise myself. I can bring this up here. Has a little readme. I guess I should just open this and... solar. Let's move you. Zephyr RTOS. It's RTOS, right? Yeah. So you're gonna go in developer. CD Zephyr RTOS. Let's open up this readme. Contains Docker files. Space image contains the minimal set architecture. Additional tools that we use. Okay, so I'll probably just use the dev environment. Developer Docker image includes all tools included in the CI image as well as base Docker image. Oh, this is so much more text than I wanted it to be. This is so sad. I say that because I'm fucking tired. So, wait, okay, I pulled it. So why is it saying the pre-built Docker image is available on GitHub? Thought I could command click, I cannot. Why does it link that then? What the hell? So can I just run like this? Because if I downloaded it from here, the fuck one did I just download then? Like I just went to here. So is this considered, I guess considered the GitHub one? It's real, I do need Docker to start. Damn, 5 gigs. Okay. Sure. I mean, fuck it. I have room. This might be like the slowest, like world record for the stupidest way to try to install this, like the path I've been on. Holy fucking flashbang, bro. God damn. What's up, 5? How you doing, baby? Holy fuck. Generate image. Wow. Powerful. I've only sold 220. It's kind of sad. The one C++ file I'm done. Oh. How you doing, 5? What's up with you? Not bad. Chilling. That's good. Glad to hear. I feel like I haven't checked in a while. YouTube. What are you doing with that? That sounds interesting. What are you? I'm chilling. Definitely a little bit busy. busier than I'd want to be over summer break, but I can't really complain about being busy. It's nice to have stuff to do. It's of length n. May perform the following number: increase or decrease the position of the I student by 1. Well, that's pretty sick, 5, actually. That's a cool idea. Graphs is in, like... I mean, I guess whenever I think of comments, I think of, like... like sentiment analysis type of thing. Is this just greedy? What's up, Siddharth? Like dashboard type stuff? That's sick, bro. I don't know why I pulled this up. I kind of don't want to do another problem, but seats at I is the position of the ith seat. Why is it phrased like that? That's so bad. So this frequency is made for position 7. Could we not just make like 2 min heaps here? Just always like pair. Like the closest. Is that crazy? Not that there may be multiple sheets. I'm thinking just like 2 min heaps in a set. Is that crazy? Do we even have to do that? Do we just sort a set? Or is that all? Wait, what is this saying? There may be multiple seats in the same position? So do I have to move a seat? Okay, so seats are 2. There are 2 seats of position 2 and 2 seats. No, you can just use them. Then what was this unique shit? Okay. What if we just sort them and zip through them? This might be stupid, but like, can we not just greedy match the lowest? Yeah. Cool. I'm the goat. Okay, so image got pulled, seems fine. Let's see where we are with Docker. Okay. So yeah, we are running this. So I'm surprised it didn't spawn an interactive shell, like that wasn't what they gave. Yeah, like run a little IT with it. Oh, I just needed it. Okay. I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to do with this. But who is to say, really? Is tree a valid command in this? No. It's like, what is in, like, home? Nothing for me. Nothing for me. So is it just workdir, I guess? Because they're CDing us into that. But then how do we... What do we do from here? That's a stupid question, but also, is it? I don't really know. I'm too tired for this. I can't even lie. I'm gonna look at this tomorrow. Whatever. Did 2 LeetCode easies. Wow, wowzer. Alright. I'm gonna go to bed. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Yeah, have a great rest of your night. Good night.